All right, folks, I'm going to fertilize my flowers here. These are dahlias, all dahlias. I'm getting ready to plant these in about 2 or 3 weeks, end of May. I know a lot of you guys have already planted your annuals. I'm a big proponent of annual flowers because they give lots of cool color for your beds. Having a lawn game is one thing, but having a good ground game with your flower beds is a whole different story, folks. So I'm gonna put some fertilizer on my flowers here, and I'm gonna show you how I do that. So I've got a special fertilizer program that I use all summer long to keep my annuals fresh and clean and blooming all summer long. All right, so I like to use the water-soluble fertilizer. This is the Blooming and Rooting from Fertilonum. It's a 958/8, and then I like to alternate it with the Fertilome 20-20-20 balanced liquid water-soluble fertilizer. So the formula is you use 1 teaspoon of this stuff per every 1 gallon of water. This is not according to the label instructions. So I need to put in about 2 of these because these are a tablespoon. That's just a little over a teaspoon of this water-soluble fertilizer per gallon of water. Then I just mix it up in here like this. So you want to get that nice and dissolved. And then I just fill it up with water, 5 gallons. So I like to mix this stuff up at 5 gallons at a time. And this year I'm hoping to get a little bit better system where I can fill up that tank over there. Hoping to fill up that tank over there just with 100 gallons of solution at once, and then have a pump that I can pump it to water my flowers. Just gonna give it one last stir right here. Like that. So what I'm doing is just taking this little guy right here, and then I'm just coming through here like this and watering these. So every other watering, I like to use fertilizer. And then I like to alternate my fertilizer between the 20-20-20 and then the Blooming and Rooting, the high phos fertilizer. So this is the high phosphorus fertilizer. I'm wanting to get these dahlias as big and strong as I can before I plant them in the ground. These dahlias are parched. They need water pretty badly. It'd be awesome if I could get these dahlias to bloom earlier this year. I usually don't get blooms until about mid-July, and I'm trying to push these things this year to see if we can get some earlier blooms. These are all grown from tubers that I either saved and harvested from last year, or some people sent me some and I bought some this year. This formula here works super well for your annuals in your baskets. If you want to keep your baskets full of color all summer long. A lot of times with baskets, they kind of have color early in the season when you buy them, and then they just kind of go to the pot. Now I just want to rinse and repeat, do it all over again. I like to mix up several buckets of this at once. And then I just have like 15 or 20 gallons of this stuff. And then I can just go around and fertilize all my flowers at once. So this is a proven method. It works very, very well. And then every other watering you want to fertilize. So every other watering, you're also not fertilizing, you're just doing clear water. But then every other time that you're fertilizing, you're alternating between the 20-20-20 and this stuff right here, the Blooming and Rooting, a high phos fertilizer, which is the center number. Today is Thursday. Last time I mowed the lawn was on Saturday, so it does look good. It's a little windy out here, so that's kind of a little bit frustrating. But these dahlias need water. And I want to keep these things alive. I want to get them big and healthy and strong. So if you guys haven't seen the previous videos that I've done showing how I fertilize my annuals, I'll leave a link up in the upper corner of the video or something. You can go and watch the video, and I would highly recommend actually implementing this process because it works very well. So it looks like all of them. Looks like got them all.